What's up, guys? Garrison Dunn here, and I bought something off North Face Renewed, and I saw there was no videos on YouTube about it, and I just wanted to unbox it and give my opinions. So what North Face Renewed is, they take used textiles, instead of like putting them in the ocean, they take them and put them back, and they refurbish them. It's pretty good price. It's like literally half the prices, and so I just tried on the sizes at my local store. And now I'm going to open them, see like how the quality is, see how they match up. I bought a puffer jacket, I bought a rain jacket. So, links of those will be in the description. The thing is, these things go quick. Like, I wanted a black jacket, the Black Venture 2, sold out like quick. I was going to buy it, I just waited. So if you see something on there, you're going to want to buy it soon. Because I waited, and I'm glad I got this, because I literally just checked the other day for the same color and the same size for these two jackets, and they were both sold out. So fingers crossed, hopefully they're nice. So like first impressions, it's like, why not put it on video, because nobody else has done it. So that's what I'm doing today. Alright, so this is first time, was just a warm up. So it says North Face Renewed. It's a collection of refurbished clothing made to explore. Whether returned, damaged, or defective, we inspect it, wash it, tune it up for your next adventure. It's the same quality and performance you expect with North Face, which less impact on the earth. So it's like, it's the same stuff, half the price. Why would I buy something else? So it's literally like, it's nice. Plus, you get 6 months warranty. I know North Face is lifetime, but they give you 6 months for this. That is the, what is that? That's the Resolve 2 jacket, black and medium. And this is the puffer jacket, black medium. So let's try these on. Hopefully these fit. If not, unscrew it. And we'll see how they, literally, first so far, quality looks like you just bought it from Dick's. Like, this is gorgeous. Beautiful jacket. Down jacket, oh my God, it looks so nice. Very, very sleek. So nice, North Face logo. I mean, there's strings of down, but nobody's really gonna know that. Okay, so this is the puffer jacket. Shout out to my brother Ellis, he's recording it. So again, size medium. Literally, again, looks like the $160 jacket we bought for retail. But this was literally half the price at $80. So, try it on, hopefully it fits. Fingers crossed here. And wow, literally perfect fit. You guys can probably see that. Perfect slim fit. So yeah, this looks literally like brand new, beautiful jacket. Again, zippers and everything still. Like, you couldn't tell that someone else wore this. All right, so that's the Aconcagua. I don't know how to pronounce it. That's that jacket. Let's try the, this is the Resolve 2. I wanted the Venture 2. They're both really nice. And I got the Resolve because the Venture, I waited too long, but this is still a really sick jacket. So I got this in black too. This is perfect for college, nice little rain jacket. Again, the prices, guys, on this site are ridiculous. So you guys can see that. Wow. Huh. You can't, like, you literally can't tell. Like, this looks brand new. North Face logo looks great. Looks brand new. Like, honestly. Try it on. Oh, man. Fits perfect. As expected. Zip it up. Like, looks pretty good. Oh, my shoulders all messed up, but really, like, perfect. Just, beautiful jacket. This is the Resolve 2. That's the Aconcagua. I can't pronounce it, to be honest. But again, North Face Renewed. I say 10 out of 10. Again, the prices are literally half the price of the retail jackets you get on NorthFace.com, and it's through North Face. Like, they take them, and like, literally the Resolve. I almost kind of like it better than the Venture, just because it's like lightweight. You got a hood. You have a little liner in here, and it's so sick. But again, 10 out of 10. Prices were great. Shipping was really quick. Really, really quick compared to like Nelk shipping. Nelk shipping still taking a month, but this came like 4 days, 3 days. It's coming from Oregon, so amazing. So Hope you guys like this. I'm G-Sun Dunn. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Subscribe for more. So it'll probably never happen again, but North Face renewed. See you guys.
There's no reason